Alright guys, Jack here, JBF Music and Guitar Lessons, and what I've got for you today is a quick lick from Steve Vai, specifically this one. Patreon.com/JBF Music is where you can get the tabs for this. If I break it down though, note by note, what we're doing is tapping the 16th fret on the E, feeling off to the 14th, feeling off to the 11th. You get a hammer on from nowhere, so this hand doesn't do anything. You just use your second finger on the 12th fret on the B string, hammer on, feel off to 11, hammer on to that 12 again, hammer on from nowhere on the E string with your first finger, and then hammer on again that 14th fret. So you have this tap, pull off, hammer from nowhere, pull off, hammer, hammer from nowhere, hammer. And that's the basis of this lick. So a thing, to get speed on it, you want to just play it kind of slow, keep it clean, try and keep it as relaxed as possible. You don't want to be, slamming your hands into the guitar. You want to be playing as lightly as you can, while still getting kind of clear, crisp notes. Using stuff like compression, overdrive, and also a bit of a wah-wah to kind of swoop in and out and hide the slop a little bit is ideal for this sort of lick. So we do that thing twice, right? The good news is this hand does the same thing. This hand just taps up at the 18th fret. So we're 18, pull off just like we did before. And I do that without muting at the G string. If you wondered what this hand's doing, what I'm trying to do is mute out these strings with it, basically the E, A, D and G, so that if I kind of hit them by mistake or there's a note that makes them want to resonate, they don't. I don't want to derail this with lots of muting tips, but you can get a kind of quick lesson, maybe 5-10 minute lesson with the eye up there. So we got this one twice, this one once, back to this one, back up to here. And then this is where things change. Coming down, we're going to basically tap down the pentatonic. So you're going to tap this note like you did before. Feel off to the 14, feel off to the 11. Same idea in the B string. But then what we're going to do is position shift. So you tap this fret here, the 14th fret. Feel off to 11, feel off to the 9, and then hammer on from nowhere, 11 on the G. So that rundown. I'll try and do it slowly, but not quite as sloppily this time, eh? So to recap it all, you've got this one twice, up, back to this one, back to the higher one, then the descent. And if you're interested in this kind of thing, or indeed the kind of fine details and the minutiae, but maybe don't have time to commit to a weekly guitar lesson, fire me a message, lessons@jbfmusic.com, or through Facebook, and ask about custom video lessons or playing feedback videos. So we do a quick blast of music theory. The nuts and bolts of this are that we're in E Lydian, but he's kind of outlining a B major 7, it just sounds lush. If you know your 2-note per string major 7 arpeggios, and if you don't, what have you done with your life now? If you don't, fair enough, and if you want to find out, I'll link to lesson with the eye up there. But that's what's going on here. Because you got the root, you got your 7th there, your major 3rd and your 5th. Going up to the 6th, which is quite a good note to put in a kind of major Lydian type thing. And then Vai's just making good use of the pentatonic. And that's what it is, a lot of his playing is very modal. Like, I think this song just has a kind of riff. Something like that running all the way through it. Tons more Vai stuff in those videos. You can get the tabs on Patreon. Hit subscribe to keep up to date with the channel. Make sure you never miss out on new content. But take it easy guys. Have a good one.